Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Kamday shu kasin ka badingkong bakawa Ganol kabadan ha West Garu Hills District kanper de Jaboh Jabaiñ nakadaw ka jingpan kala Martin da kipadba nong soksnong kibabrat pathar sawa ya ki Jaboh kibasay na ying nakayo kabadan markhab na ki homestay bat na ki Jaka bam Khana ha kaba ki plastic kila syusata bat hablut syakawa ha ka jingkran bat kilat patay gubor ha ka arpo arterik u jemang arajar arpusan u Abu Tahir Mondal u balong menteri sorkar jela u bakhmi ya ketanat boarding ulay thu ba ulay karen halor kani bat u deputy commissioner bat labatharu ya ki block development officer ban pinsong thu ya ki pajba ba kenom bret Jaboh shakinala ki bakit pat ya ki Jaboh Jabaiñ syakawa Ganol kabalaban kata ya ka project penmi boarding na kanikawa.
See, this is not the first time it happened earlier also. This is not directly they are dumping at the project site. Actually, when heavy rain is there, the rain water from the neighboring areas carries the debris, then forest waste, and also the garbage is accumulated in the nearby market, homestays, and also from the picnic spot where the plastics are left over, all are carried and it gets accumulated. This is a serious issue, and I am in constant touch with DC, and I have instructed to take remedial measures as far this is concerned. He has visited the site yesterday, and tomorrow also he is sending the videos to sensitize the people in the upstream, including the homestays, the markets, and all these things, and we'll have to monitor this one for continuously, else it will repeatedly happen. Whenever rain will come, they will carry all the garbage upstream. As far cleaning is concerned, our MEPGCL people are on job, and today manpower has been collected because not everybody can go and remove those debris. We need people who are expert. Today they have been brought in at the site, and camps have been made. By tomorrow morning they will start cleaning the debris, whatever garbage is there, as per the information reached to me. So this is at present. In future we'll have to sensitize all people living in the upstream of the river not to dump garbage directly to the river that side, because as long as no rain is there, they remains in that site. But whenever rain comes, water swells and it carries all those things to the dam site. So this is a serious issue. We got to look into it. I have had a word with already with Honorable Chief Minister Sir also, and he also agreed that we should have some mechanism through which we can placate this type of situations. I mean, some bazars are there which is on the bank of the river. So ultimately people tend to dump everything to river side. So when the rain does not occur, the level of water is down, nothing happens. But when the water swells up, then they carry everything. Because if it is a constant process, it would have been taken away earlier only. Because of the heavy rain that in the upstream of the river, this thing has happened. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it not happens. It depends on the rain. And as I told you, that we need to sensitize the people who are living upstream of the river. Otherwise, MEPGCL cannot help it out, because when rain comes, along with the water carries all these debris, and as it cannot go beyond the dam, so they accumulated there. And this is not only eyesore, but it is also very serious for the generation and the safety of the dam is concerned. Affecting us because these are floating objects, So this is not giving us much trouble. But it is not good to have these things there, because as I told earlier that it is not only eyesore. This may create trouble for the project also. It may percolate down to the powerhouse and then create problem in our machineries like turbines and all these things. So we need to immediately remove it, and manpower has been gathered. By tomorrow things will taken shape to remove all this debris. Sometimes what happens when the net is fully blocked by this debris and water cannot pass through, then ultimately the entire force of water will take away everything, including the net and all these things. Our house, there is an intake point.
Okay.
In that intake point, there is a mesh, no doubt about that. So mesh will placate all those big objects that is there, bottles and all these things. As of now, nothing, no impact is there because this keeps on floating. But we feel that they may percolate into the tunnel, then goes to the generation site and all these things, powerhouse and all these things. So our people are on constant task that nothing enters into the, because there is mesh also to segregate these things. By tomorrow we'll see that how things.
How many rivers are joining into the dam?
There are many streams are coming, and ultimately they join river Ganol. And on the bank, because everybody feels.
Mainly where the waste come on.
Basically it is Ganol. Ganol is flowing for quite a long distance. And there is a market also, the Rongdam, some budgets are there. Measures, I asked the Deputy Commissioner to assess the thing, the causes, the places where these things are happening. That's why he's sending a team tomorrow. And he will be meeting, the team will be meeting the people, say for example, the market committees, and wherever picnic spots are there also maybe Nokma and all these things, maybe putting up signboard that dispose your waste in a particular place so that it cannot go to the rivers and all these things. This require a long-term constant monitoring. So that has been instructed to DC, and DC will be giving us a report also after assessing all these things.